Please activate the subtitles.
For this video, it's extremely important that you activate the subtitles, so please do that. Have done that, so without any further ado, let's get started. My name is Roger Kala, and today we're going to practice the pronunciation of questions. Please follow these instructions. First, listen, pause, and repeat after me. Second, listen to it again, pause, and answer the questions. Imagine I'm interviewing you. Third, listen and repeat after me, but don't pause. What is your first name? What is your second name? What's your second name? What's your middle name? What's your middle name? What's your last name? In American English we say last name, whereas in British English we say last name. American, what's your last name? British, what's your last name? Do you like your first name? Do you like your first name? Why not? Why not? How do you spell your first name? How do you spell your first name? How do you spell yellow? How do you spell yellow? What's your favorite color? In American English we say favorite color, whereas in British English we say favorite color. American, what's your favorite color? British, what's your favorite color? What time is it? What time is it? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where do you live? Where do you live? Do you like your city? In American English we say your city, whereas in British English we say your city. American, do you like your city? British, do you like your city? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? How old are you? How old are you? Do you have a brother? In American English we say brother, but in British English we say brother. Do you have a brother? Do you have a brother? Do you have a sister? Do you have a dog? Do you have a dog? Do you like dogs? Do you like dogs? How old is your brother? How old is your brother? How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have? What are all the colors in English? What are all the colors in English? Do you like English? Do you like English? Why do you study English? Why do you study English? Can you compare English to Portuguese? Can you compare English to Portuguese? Do you eat chocolate? Do you eat chocolate? Will you eat chocolate tomorrow? Will you eat chocolate tomorrow? Did you eat chocolate yesterday? Did you eat chocolate yesterday? Would you like to eat chocolate now? Would you like to eat chocolate now? Where do you work? Where do you work? What's your job? What's your job? What color is the Brazilian flag? What color is the Brazilian flag? How do you say escritório in English? How do you say escritório in English? Do you work in an office? Do you work in an office? Would you like to work in an office? Would you like to work in an office? What's your nationality? In American English we say your nationality, whereas in British English we say your nationality. So in American English, what's your nationality? In British English, what's your nationality? What time is it? What time is it? What's your cell phone number? Oh, in American English we say number, but in British English we say number. What's your cell phone number? What's your cell phone number? What's your work number? What's your home phone number? How many telephones are there in your house? How many telephones are there in your house? How many TVs do you have? How many TVs do you have? Where do you have English classes? In American English we say class, whereas in British English we say class. American English? Where do you have your English classes? British English? Where do you have your English classes?
Please click the big red button to subscribe. It really helps me when you do that, and click the bell to allow notifications so you will never miss new videos. Thank you very much.